What's up, guys? Welcome back. So hold on, let me show you this clip first, what I'm gonna show you guys. I already got the piece that I needed. So what I'm trying to set up here, here's the setup for the GoPro. So it's literally by the handlebar. So guys, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to talk to you guys about my setup. So yesterday I got off of work and you saw the clip, what I got. So I'm testing out the setup for the Motovlogs. Let's see if we hit a 100 today. Jesus Christ. So yeah guys, so I'm testing out the new setup on the helmet, recording wise. So I got my regular action camera, the GoPro, attached with the little dongle, and I upgraded it, like I said, with the a dead cat. And the secondary audio is from the external recorder. I want to see the difference quality wise, and hopefully I can reduce the rumble noise when the wind hits the helmet. It's kind of like it's annoying when I'm editing. I can literally hear the noise in the background, and when I try to correct the audio, it's just horrible. It just comes out bad. My voice comes out too low. The noise is still there, so hopefully I can prevent that. And even on the highway, I'm trying to do that and see if I can improve the audio. If I'm in the streets, like the clip I showed you, it sounds fine, sounds good, but I can improve it. And yeah, the setup. There's the setup. I had this piece too for a while. I bought it for my gimbal for my phone to attach the microphone, and it's actually coming in useful on this because this mount, like you saw guys, I can put an action camera right on it, so it has a regular attachment to it for like a GoPro attachment, and it has a, I think it's a 1/4 inch thread threading in there, so I can attach anything like this. So I want to see a new vlogging setup so I can vlog while I'm riding, and have a secondary camera to for you guys to look, see me, so I can switch back and forth. So I'll try to do a quick vlog and a quick setup video to show you guys what I'm doing, and show you the progress. Hopefully this is progress. I know this camera, this action camera right here, was my first setup. The quality wasn't that great, but I'm working what I have. So if I can have more money to buy another GoPro, I would. Actually, I'm thinking about asking my friend and see if he can borrow his action camera, his GoPro, and attach it on here and see how the quality comes out. if it doesn't come out too shaky or anything like that. So you can guys see it's attached to the handlebars, so hopefully it's not too shaky. So we'll see. But yeah, so the audio, I'm hoping it's coming out okay. So I have two setups. One of them, the one with the external recorder, it's actually between padding, so there's no dead cat around it. I moved the location so it's literally closer to my jawline towards the front. So it's between the padding in the front there, but there's no dead cat. So right now I can feel some wind going in there. So probably the audio might come out a bit bad, but hopefully the GoPro can capture some good audio. But we'll see. So that was the highway test. Hopefully, I know the street vlogging should be okay if I don't go too fast, but at the same time trying to check out the audio, trying to see if I can improve it. So hopefully the setup was dead on and I don't have to adjust anything else. But yeah, the padding that I put on the GoPro microphone, it's just a fabric dead cat around it, and hopefully that kind of pushed away from the helmet, so the mic won't be pushed against the helmet and the padding. So hopefully should be good. But yeah guys, coming close to my job. So yeah guys, if you like this content, let me know. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys like, and it helps YouTube put out my content to everybody else that wants to know about vlogging and how to set up on the R3. I got more videos coming up. So but yeah guys, thanks for watching. Peace.